Okay, we're on task 5.2. I say we're on task 5.2. Repeating things. This one is straightforward once you get one thing into your mind. Okay, now this one says that you're going to ask for the user to enter a number, so you're going to need an input, but because it's a number, don't forget that we use int because it's a whole number, an integer, so we use int and input when we're asking for that. It's the same way as you've used it before. Then once you've done that, you want to print all the numbers from 1 to whatever number that was. So that was 4, you print 1, 2, 3, 4. So n is going to be this number as far as we're concerned. So you might want to call your variable n. Now the thing to be mindful of is if we go back and have a look at the first circle task on this particular one, this talks about looping through a set of numbers. If we have a look at this, we've got for I in range 3. Okay, now the one thing it says in here, you can't see it, it's just a bit further up, it says that we start counting at 0 in a computer. So a range of 3 will be 0, 1, 2, 3 numbers, but starting at 0. So that's why when you run that task, it gives you 0, 1, 2. But if I was to change what I wanted to print inside there, and said let's print I plus 5, for example, then I should be able to start printing at a certain point, run the code again, and get a different set of results. So on there now you can see that I've got 5, 6, 7. So I've said start at I, which for the first time through is going to be 0, and add 5 to it, so 0 plus 5 is 5. Then it went 1, so 1 plus 5, 6. Then we went 2, 2 plus 5, 7. So that's a very simple way, really, of looking at the task that you need to complete. So to recap on your task, you're asking them to enter a number. They're going to put something in, for example 7, and then you should 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you just do it like we did before, without the little add-on, then you'll start off and it'll 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you look at what we just did on the previous one and adapt that slightly, you should be able to solve this problem pretty easily.